only went at this video, I'll share this video. This is what Mathias and his group are up against. Ikulu mirine kupu osimiri anabashi. Ikulu mirine kupu osimiri anabashi. So they look practically like this man who is inside this place. That is an effortless journey you are undertaking. I repeat, in the year 1985, Bishop Benson Idahosa did a crusade in Lagos, and over thousands of people filled up National Stadium in Surrey. Over 30 years later, Ebukobi still filled up Zion ground in Ngobala, where millions of people came from all over the world. Inside Ngobala, not minding the location, still all these millions of people all over the world came from South Africa, from America, from everywhere. They came down to Ngobala to come and experience this God that you people you people will continue working and laboring in vain. Unu sure happen numerous problems Nigeria nwelu. Horunu ntutu taa no kakono na ya dano. Ifono na ano ogu ebi. Go. Na-enwe ka akịta na ebe a na-ekuru mmiri ekupụta ọdụgo onye nwere ọgụgụ isi. This is not wisdom. He's not showing that he's wise. If not, kedu ife ọ eji wee nọrọ n'ebe mmiri na-ehu ehu na akwọrọ mmiri na akwụwi na mmiri na-ehu ehu, recycling water like this. What you see there is just a video representation of what Ndi Omenala, Ndi kpọrọ onwe ha Ndi Omenala na-eme n'ebe Christianity and then the pastors know. You are not making head forward. Ebukobi has taken the battle from Lagos down to Ngobala. The first experience and encounter of Zion ministry in Ngobala, Oduke Bemili Nezo. Zion ministry did what Mathias and his group of jokers did in Enugu State. Mathias, after some time, decided to do a 3 days crusade in Enugu State. That crusade was a flop. Nobody visited. Even Ndeni Nanoni Huawei Nyempoto Omenala Jukosi Omenala Jigarisi did not even visit Enugu State. Ndebia crusade for 3 days. Guest speakers, Mathias, Ihed, and one lady, one on guest speakers. It was a flop. If you put a bar, Oshe 12 Kabasa, Doko 24 ndozo. 24 ndozo had Dokolo Kaneba, 12 Ebutele Juheju. Mathias, Ihed, and Ando was there standing, talking to palm trees, popo trees, and the Ukumango trees. And the Nime 12 Madonone. One man of the labor with Umuye 5. That is to show you that now, the first testing microphone you people did in Enugu was a flop. Look at the first testing of microphone. Look at how it is a blast. It is a blast. I will not show the video. Show AY. If all sold out. O2 Arena filled up. Millions of people move from different places, not minding how the route was, and landed in Ngobala live. Some of them even arrived few days to the day. Have you not seen that what you people are saying? You are not making any headways. You are not even progressing one bit. It's more like no recycle that message. No new convert. No new convert. And I can assure you that in this ground in Ngobala, Mando Mathias Ezeaku yes mogulu inside there no reba so ribe ha na tie men. Now join you on live program. Don't forget that as millions of people are there on ground, millions of people are also following na Facebook, Instagram, and so many other social media handles. So, unu kulu mmiri, if unu na-eme na ọdụ ka isi na osimiri na-ekupu mmiri, yemenwuye, iyato to onwe gị afọ. And the day you decide to be wise, that day, that fruitless effort ya get to an end. I repeat, this is the repetition of what Benson Idahosa did over 35 years ago. Over 35 years ago. 35 years later, the history has repeated itself again, this time around in Bala, southeast Nigeria, in Imo State. Done by our own loved prophet, evangelist, brother, Chukwuebuka Nwanoziobi. Of Chalafancha special, Ome Chalafancha special, and Doku Chalafancha special. Adaku ya mmiri. Adaku ya mmiri. Ono chonyewe mpoto. Mpoto nu nenyewu nefukowu. Nothing will happen. You gotta go, people do so carried away. You gotta go with this Christianity, which has turned into a movement. You gotta na so, sure. Yeah, fondo tunu na-ekwu since when ka ebido kwara showcase miracle unu kpuru isi na nke a na-egosi since na Zion Church na Lagos bịa nọ na nga ọkpala. It happened yesterday. Onye nọ na wishi abiniri, onye ji crushes bịa drop ya. So many miracles was recorded yesterday. I want to see what you people can do. I want to see what you people will do, because when I say na since Mathias na ndo teju egwude vana nke niile na-eme maka unu na-ekpu isi unu na-afụcha ụzọ manụ ma wee aradite nyachi anya unu jụ na ya afọ ife na-eme nke na-eme na Zion ground na Lagos since nke na-eme na all churches unu decide na unu aya afụzie ka unu na-ekwu nke igwe unu and the emotion unu accept. It happened live in Zion ground yesterday all over Facebook. I want you people to go and activate that law or that anything anywhere. Unu sere unu ye na onye mmekwa miracle ọzọ unu afro nke a na-eme since. This one is so obvious because the attention of everybody though positioned na that program and so you will not claim that you will not see this one. You will not claim that an effort this one. AGK has shared it. A lot of people have talked about it. So I want you people to come and do that thing. Miracle again. Go see on Facebook. So it has happened again yesterday. I want you people to go and locate Onyahu Sinawishi Abini. Locate Onyahu drop crutches. Miracle Nina had record on a Zion ground yesterday. I want you people to take it up and show us what you people can do. If not, if you na aboja, nkota aboja adataro. Nkota aboja adataro. We know better. We know better. And we are ahead of you people. 100% ahead of you people. I will leave it here. Let us follow the program. Egotago manachetago ide ekupu mmiri na osimiri ine ekupu ona abashi ine ekupu ona abashi ine ekupu ona amu nwa na abu umu Christianity has come to stay. Onwere funu yemenwu about it. It should be dota. If you yeme we jegodo build up that Godian religion or Omenala Oka. Ono ka bidolo ebido nwe branded show interest na jenu build oba godu chọba na ife unu yejuwe attract ndị mmadụ to ife ahụ unu na-eme unu ejekwu na am already more like an established institution chọka unu je gbawa mgba ya bụ na ya gbaniye mgba. This is just a test so that you people will, this is testing the microphone. Jena Ngopala, you will see what happened in Ngopala yesterday. There was massive transformation economically, spiritually, miracle-wise, and the town, a touch of life at that town yesterday. You cannot claim not to see what happened in Ngopala. I will leave it here as we bring more updates to you. I still remain your Ezeaku, your favorite. Ihe iti ya tata, ige mesha like ya. Dalon.